Know what's awesome about spiralizers? They make vegetables more enjoyable. With a spiralizer, you take a normal plant and turn it into delicious noodles. However, each model is unique in its features and quality. Today, we'll help you find the best spiralizer to suit your needs. Here's our list of the top 5 best spiralizers. Number 5. The Spaghettable Vegetable Spiralizer. The most basic item on the list, and it's quite popular, with over 150 reviews scoring it at a 76% rating. So if you want to save a few bucks, this is your spiralizer. Beyond affordability, its simple design makes it easy to clean. In fact, it comes with a brush to make your job easier. Also, did we mention that it comes with a free recipe book? However, its price and simplicity means it lacks some advanced features, with many users reporting that it works best with zucchini only. For those who are looking for more features, explore the following options. Number 4. The Paderno World Cuisine 4-Blade Folding Vegetable Slicer Spiralizer Pro. With over 1,300 reviews totaling an 84% rating, this choice is much more popular, and that's because it comes with many options. You can even get an in-between option with 6 blades. From the get-go, you can see that Paderno is all about customization. It even lets you create different types of spaghetti noodles per vegetable. Number 3. The Mueller Spiral Ultra Multi-Blade Spiralizer. Now we get to the middle option. This spiralizer clocked in over 4,500 reviews and an overall 88% rating. And why is it that highly rated? That's because it's an 8-in-1 spiralizer. It gives you all the Paderno advantages in a single machine. And beyond the blades, this machine gives much more. It gives you a lifetime warranty, a free recipe book, and containers for both vegetables and citrus chops. It doesn't get any better than that, right? Actually, it does. Number 2. The Spiralizer 5-Blade Vegetable Slicer. It's rated at 92% with over 10,000 reviews, and we think those values speak for themselves. This spiralizer is unique since it's only 5 blades, yet its blades are multi-shaped, letting you perform unique cuts. Also, the blades of this spiralizer work with hard root vegetables, so they won't break or crack from tough use. Plus, it's a spiralizer that comes with 4 recipe books. That's more cookbooks than the average person owns. As you can tell, this spiralizer opens up a whole new recipe world for you. Finally, the best spiralizer on this list. Number 1. Brieftons 7-Blade Spiralizer. As promised, we saved you the best for last. While it only has around 1,000 reviews, this item has a near-perfect rating at 98%. Very few items rate this high. So what makes the Brieftons a special model? It's special because it combines all the previous spiralizers into one. For starters, it's a 7-blade model. Features powerful Japanese stainless steel blades and 4 recipe books. Then there's its suction pad and its design that minimizes mess. With this device, you can cut veggie noodles with ease. It also comes with a lifetime replacement guarantee, plus the ability to handle heavy use. In conclusion, luckily, most spiralizers don't exceed $40 in price. For a staple kitchen item that can last a lifetime, that's great value. Still undecided? Or do you know what you want? Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of these models.